Once upon a time, in a distant galaxy, there existed a rare and mystical planet called Xanthoria. This planet was inhabited by a race of highly intelligent beings known as the Xanthorians. They had a unique ability to communicate with the divine entities of the cosmos, which they referred to as the Alien Deities. The Xanthorians believed that these deities held the secrets of the universe and hoped to learn from their wisdom. The Xanthorians' quest for knowledge. The Xanthorians sought to enhance their understanding of the universe and their place in it. As such, they embarked on a cosmic pilgrimage to gather knowledge from the alien deities. Led by their wise spiritual leader, Lumina, they traveled the galaxy using advanced spacecraft fueled by cosmic energy, the Council of Constellations. Upon reaching the fabled Council of Constellations, the Xanthorians came face to face with the alien deities. These deities were ethereal beings that took the form of celestial bodies, such as stars, nebulae, and black holes. Lumina humbly approached the council, requesting their guidance in understanding the mysteries of the universe. The deities' challenge. The alien deities, intrigued by the Xanthorians' persistence and intelligence, agreed to share their knowledge. However, they presented the Xanthorians with a challenge. To prove their worthiness, they must solve a cosmic riddle that would unlock the secrets of the universe. The cosmic riddle. The riddle was as follows. We are the children of the stars, born from the ashes of their fiery deaths. We are the architects of the cosmos, shaping the fabric of reality with our celestial will. What are we? The Xanthorians pondered the riddle for days, using their collective intellect to decipher its meaning. Eventually, Lumina had an epiphany. The answer was not a physical object or a celestial body, but rather a concept that transcended physicality. The answer was consciousness itself, the revelation and enlightenment. Lumina presented the answer to the alien deities, who were pleased with the Xanthorians' wisdom. As promised, they shared their knowledge with the Xanthorians, granting them a profound understanding of the universe and their place within it. They learned that every being in the cosmos is connected through a web of consciousness, and by nurturing this connection, they could bring harmony to the universe. With their newfound understanding, the Xanthorians returned to their home planet, enlightened and eager to share their discoveries with their fellow beings. Through their encounter with the alien deities, they had gained not only knowledge, but also an appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. And so, the Xanthorians dedicated themselves to spreading peace and unity throughout the galaxy, forging an era of harmony and understanding that would endure for eons to come.